Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir. Afternoon.
Okay. So, welcome back to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Now, can I call it magic?
Yes, sure, sir.
101%. It's the magic.
100%. So, again, a heartfelt gratitude to all of you. And again, I would say the same thing. Pat yourself, applaud yourself. See, the best way to give you confidence is always keep on pushing yourself up. Keep on giving pat to yourself. See, nobody will come to you and say, yes, you have done this good. Nobody will come. Now, this is how human race is all about. So always, whenever you are doing something good, whenever you're learning something new, just pat yourself, applaud yourself. So let's move towards the next step of Vedic mathematics. So we'll be discussing regarding opportunities. Why this subject is gaining importance? What are the opportunities now? Now, why are these opportunities coming up? You know, what happened around a year back, our Honorable Prime Minister, he said in one of the Mann Ki Baat. Now, you might be knowing what is Mann Ki Baat. There is a monthly radio program where he speaks about the different schemes of the government, about the empowerment, about everything that is related to our country. So at that time, he spoke about Vedic mathematics, that to compete in the competition, in any competition, Vedic maths is very important. So the child was Usman. He told Usman that yes, to gain good marks, you should learn Vedic mathematics. And that is the day when suddenly there was a trend in the Twitter, Google, Facebook. Everybody started searching for this topic. And fortunately, today also, in today's Mann Ki Baat also, he again reconfirmed that the same statement, yes, one should go for Vedic mathematics. It is due to that. It is due to our ancient mathematics that we got so many good scholars of mathematics, right? So this was the first instance when when everybody started realizing what is Vedic mathematics, or the word got the importance. Then this subject is being introduced in our course curriculum. That is as per our National Education Policy, NEP 2020. But yes, due to COVID, it could not be implemented in 2020 as well as 21. Now it is being implemented, and now we are getting ready to start in our course curriculums. And as I already told you, maybe if you had a word, so I'm training one state government school teachers. There are around 10,000 plus maths teachers in Government of Haryana Secondary Education Department, whom I am training every time online so that they can implement this subject in a better manner. And results are coming out. The teachers further are sharing the knowledge with their students, and they are sending us recordings. Second thing, I'm training all the SSR VM schools, that is Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir schools. They are 88 in India, and one is in Nepal. I think it is near Viratnagar, I suppose. So that also we are training the teachers. And now, so that is the reason, because of NEP and our Prime Minister, this subject got the importance. So now what are the opportunities? So this is a background, like why it is gaining importance. Yes, Vedic mathematics, as you have seen yesterday also, it is required for mental calculation, mental speed, that confidence, right brain, left brain activation, your visualization reasoning and logic enhancing. So overall, if we think it in a way, it is a overall development of a child. Now, when we talk about development of a child, you know, when we were there at Art of Living, we used to say yoga heals your body. Correct? If you have some problems in you, physical problems, and you start doing yoga regularly, you get healed up, right? That problem goes away, some pain, something, obesity or something. Similarly, meditation heals your soul. If you are not feeling good, you are not able to, you know, there are some situations when you are not able to make your mind stable. At that time, meditation helps a lot. So meditation heals your soul. Similarly, to heal your academic performance, Vedic mathematics is very much important for the students or children. So talking about the opportunities, the very first thing is, if you are a housewife, if you are putting up at home and you don't have anything, then also you can start with these classes right from your home. See, kids always have a fear of mathematics. And in any school, we have a big class. We have a class where 40 students are there. And definitely a teacher cannot pay attention to them. That is the reason why children are going for offline, for tuition work. So mathematics, to understand mathematics in the better way, Vedic maths can be introduced in our tuitions. And that you can start as a tuition classes right from your home. The advantage is you don't need any big setup for this. Right from your drawing room, right from your home, you can start, because nothing, there are no computers or nothing as such instruments are required for this. The only thing you need is some books and a table chair to teach the students. So if you are financially good, yes, you can start with the training institution also, where people can come and commercially you can use that as a classes, right? Where you can teach competitive examination students, you can teach the school students, as well as you can take teacher training programs. Third, again, nowadays in big cities, people don't want their kids to go out due to security and other reasons. So they often call teachers at their home, known as home tuitions. So this is another opportunity where, since maths, again, maths is a subject where everybody has a fear. So home tuitions has emerged as a big business in this COVID. When kids were not allowed to move outside, home tutors were moving to their houses to teach, right? So this has become a great job. So these three are where you can independently start your institutions anywhere. See, anywhere you are in the world. Tuition work is one which you can start from anywhere. Now, coming up with the other opportunities. So this was self-finance, self-business, you can say thing. Job opportunities, if we talk about, so definitely when this subject is being introduced in number of schools. Now it was, I'm not now coming to Nepal also. Like this last weekend, I was there in Kathmandu. Last I was in Dhangadi. So we are also approaching different schools who are looking for some opportunities for their students, who want their school students to excel in mathematics, as well as overall academic performance should go up. They are looking forward to start this program in their schools. So definitely jobs as a Vedic mathematics trainers will very shortly be the opportunity which will emerge. Correct? And of course, if you are already running some institution kind of thing where you are teaching, or where you are taking language classes or your competitive exam classes. So you can add this Vedic mathematics as a extra component, as an additional component. I make you show that definitely you'll get the worth of it. You'll get more admissions than this. The only thing is, yes, to create awareness. So initial awareness is required if you are talking about Nepal. Otherwise, in India, it is clear and people are coming up themselves. They are approaching now. Now, like summer vacations are coming, so parents are already alert. They are already coming up. Yes, my child should learn this in the summer vacation. So similarly, a time will come, and maybe another 3 months, you'll have many opportunities for the same. Correct? So any question you have regarding this? Yes, Yogananda?
No question, sir.
Yogananda, have you done the homework? Because I received homework of Murli and I think one more. What about you?
Yeah, I have sent to Facebook account, sir, in your page.
You have shared. Okay, great. If you have shared, let me check.
But their Facebook name may be Yogesh Chalise.
No issues, no issues, sir. No issues, sir.
But I have shared their.
Okay, then I think it was done. Yes. So any difficulty you found?
Nothing, sir.
Any difficulty you found? Yes, Asha. Any questions regarding yesterday's homework?
No questions, sir.
Ramesh,
Practice. Perfect.
Ramesh, any doubts, any questions you have regarding yesterday's homework? Yes, Ramesh, any homework doubts? See, how will I know if you'll not speak up? So you have to come up.
No doubt, sir.
Were you able to do the homework?
Yes, sir.
Have you sent? No.
I am not pending, sir.
Please do it. Please do it, because this would be very important in your journey. See, when you are doing the homework, then only you will be getting some problems. Then only you'll have more questions with me. Na? Otherwise, we feel, yes, we know everything, but when we solve, then only we'll realize the actual problems. See, sometimes what happens, even we know everything, but a number comes when we have to rethink, how will we solve that? So that will only come when we will solve some questions. Yes, Asha, how many questions you solved?
All questions, sir. All questions have solved.
Okay. Okay, so the second part was to have a Facebook page, Instagram. So all of you have that?
Facebook account.
Yes, sir.
Is something
I have
different. See,
Facebook
account
account.
is like your residence, but a page is like your business place, because this is where you'll be launching your classes, from where you will be starting your work, a business place. Yes, okay. So I think you need motivation again. So I'll share you some motivational stories and you'll just have a look. If voice is down, I'll just interpret for you. Now, he is Mr. Hussain, a mathematics teacher from Nigeria. If you see the date also, this is April 2021. Now, once he has done Vedic mathematics, now what he is doing, he's very truly, I'll say, he has not got any hike in the salary. No hike in the salary. I admit this. But what he got in return, because he is now giving something extra to the students. So what he is getting? The respect. Correct. And the offline, the after school tuition work. Because when somebody knows, when students know, yes, this teacher can give us something better, definitely they'll try to get that teacher in the tuition work. Right. So this happens. See, your knowledge will never go waste. He did not get an increment in salary, I agree, but what he got? Tuition work. So 23, 3rd, 21. So last year in the month of Jan, Feb, he took my classes and now he is teaching mathematics and simultaneously he's taking Vedic maths classes also. We discussed yesterday also. See, if you know about Quora, yes, Asha, do you know about Quora? Yogananda, Ramesh,
Kora.
Quora.
Goa.
Quora,
क्या
Quora. Okay, I'll just see. I'll show you on live.
It's a search engine, sir.
It is a search engine where you get the detail, where you get every question solved. So it is a place where you write the questions and you get the answers to it. Now, if you see, this is a topic, Vedic mathematics. Are you able to see? Total followers are 20.6K. Now coming down, most viewed writers. So if you see, I have got 10,859. So that is most viewed writer. And the second one, you can see the difference. It is more than 10,000 is the difference. See that, how will you get such achievements? Only if you are giving something in return, if you are solving their queries. So whenever you find time, just go on Quora, try to help other peoples also. So when you will start helping others, one thing is you will add up to your knowledge. Second thing, you'll get all whatever you have learned, that will give you more experience, more practice. And then third, you'll get such achievements also. So anytime you get some time, please do try to have this nature, helping others. And in return, you'll be getting such applause also. So this is one of them. Coming back, another girl. Okay. Now see one more girl. See, now she is Priyadarshini Bora from Guwahati, near Guwahati, Assam. She started with Vedic mathematics when she was in 9th class only. And today she is a trainer teaching 9th standard, 10th standard and above also. So when a girl of 9th class can do it, when a student, when a teacher who is so far from India, he can learn and gain, why not you? Yes, is it possible or not? Yes, do you think
Yes.
you can do it?
Yes, we can do easily, sir.
That is what, see, once you have this feeling in your mind, yes, I can do it, then nothing is impossible. Even I am impossible spells, I am possible. Only it depends on your thinking. Nobody's, everyone can do it. The only thing is we need to be motivated all the time. Remember, I told you, Bhagavad Gita, first adhyay, be confident and motivated all the time. That's so howsoever you get the confidence, you take it. Howsoever you get the motivation, take it. Howsoever you get the knowledge, take it. So these things you have to take care of. Right. Chalo. So let's start with the exercises. And please take out your paper and pen. We will start. Now, the first topic today will start with scares. So do you know what is a scare? Yes. You know what is a scare? Yes, Asha.
Yes, sir.
What is a scare?
Square.
Graphic wala nahi, दूसरा. We say find a square of a number 6. So what does that mean?
That is multiplied twice.
Multiply the same number again. Correct? That is known as scaring. Okay, let me show you. Okay. So scaring means if n is a number, it is represented by n raised to power 2, which means n multiplied by n. So if a number is 1, we have to find the square of 1. It is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If a number is 2, so it is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, if it is 3 square, it is 3
Nine.
3 is equal to 9. Clear? So very first thing is you need to write down this table and then we'll start finding for the bigger numbers. So please write down this table in your notebooks. Done?
Done.
Everybody has done? Okay. Now see, so we are clear about up till 10 scale.
It's 100.
11 also we remember 121. So how do we find? We take 11, we multiply by 11. This is how we do. 12, 144. Again the same procedure. 13, 169. But what after that? We cannot remember all. So first concept we'll start with finding squares of numbers having 2 digits. Or okay, we'll write down here itself 2-digit numbers. And that too very easy way. Let's say a number is 18 and one number is 23. So the first thing so that means I have to find this. One way is definitely 18 multiplied by 18 and we'll get the answer. But here we are not for that. Now, what is the square of 1?
1.
0, 1 will write. What is the square of 8?
60. 64.
64.
64.
So this is my first step. Writing the squares independently. Or writing the squares of the individual numbers. Now the number would be maximum 9. So we already have learned this table. So that table was very important. One thing, you can find the squares of all big numbers through that table. One thing. Second, when we'll come to the topic of square roots, that time also that table is very useful. Why? Because we'll be able to find the square roots just by mere observation using that table. So this table has a very important role to play in Vedic mathematics. Correct? So this first step is clear. And in this case, we can have 0, 4, 0, 9. See, make a habit, though on this side, on left hand side, having 0 is no use. But why I say, because if we'll not put 0 here, we'll forget to put 0 here also. So make a habit, always write the square in 2 digits. Later on, we can remove. Now, the second step, you have to multiply all these 3 numbers. That 2, which is raised to power, and the 1. So, or in the other words, you can say we have to find 2AB, where A is your first digit, B is your second digit. Correct? So here 2 into 1 into 8 is 16. Correct? Now we have to, the step is you don't have to write anything beyond after on the unit place, nothing to be written. You have to start from tens place only. So 16 and add it.
Three to 4.
Here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. 5 to 9. So first step is write down the squares of the individual number. Second step is find 2AB. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's do more. So 36, 09, 36, 3 into 6 is 18, again 36, 1, 2, 9, 6. See, without any pain, without any big remembrance, without any using any big calculations, we can find it out. Otherwise, we had the same option, 36, 36, 6, 6, 36, again carry over. See, this carry over is a problem. Why it is a problem? Now 18 plus 3, 21. Now next time 3 into 6 is 18. Again 1 carry over. So student gets confused whether it is 3 or 1. Got the thing? So that was the confusion. 2-time multiplication. Here it is simply finding the squares of the individual and then finding 2AB. 38. What is the answer?
One, 4,
1,444.
1,444. Very good. 27.
589.
Yes, others.
Oh, something of 59.
539.
04, 49, 28.
729.
So how 5?
7 to 9. 7 to 9.
Yes, how
7 to 9.
5?
7 to 9.
You have to be careful. Yes, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. गलती क्यों हुआ? 45.
2025.
2025. I'll give you a concept where you can find the squares within 1 second. Just now you'll do it. I'll give you. 43.
One eight four nine.
849.
1859.
1849.
16. 09. Then 4 3 is a 12. 12 2 is a 24. 1849. Any doubt you have, please tell me. $46 here.
One
2116.
Yes, sir. Everyone. Yes, Asha, what is the answer? 46. नहीं आया? कहाँ गलती हो रहा है? See, 46. 4 का स्क्वायर क्या है?
16.
6 का क्या है?
36.
तो सिर्फ यहाँ छोड़ दो. 4 into 6 कितना होता है?
24.
Into 2. Because we have to
48.
find 2AB ना.
48. 48.
तो यहाँ रखा बस 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1. 1. क्यों नहीं आया ये आंसर?
हम जीरो रख, हम आगे में जीरो रख रहे थे इसलिए.
क्यों? $53. थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए प्लीज.
2809.
2509 and 5 3 is a 15. 5 3 is a 15 into 2 30.
2809.
2809. Finish. 51.
2601.
2601.
59.
3481.
89.
Yes. 81. 25. 5 9 are 40 and 90. 81 as it is. 3 4. तो अभी कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत लग रही है? यस. डू यू फील कि कैलकुलेटर से फास्ट हो जाएगा?
यस, हो जाएगा.
मतलब दिमाग से ज्यादा कैलकुलेटर ही चलेगा. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रहा है आपको? सी, अगर हम ही नहीं समझ पा रहे ये बात कि हमारा दिमाग ज्यादा तेज है, तो बच्चों को कैसे समझाएंगे? है आशा? How will you convince if you are not getting the same thing, convinced by the same thing कि yes, our brain is much faster than the calculator?
Faster है सर, faster.
अभी आपने 1 मिनट पहले कहा नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं कहाँ बोले सर, पास्ट बोले, नहीं बोले.
Sir, how
77.
do we calculate it mentally?
How do we?
Calculate it mentally.
This will happen. See, अभी आप याद कीजिए 1 2 3 4 5. क्या आज आप इसको कर पा रहे हैं कैलकुलेट मेंटली? See, step लगेगा. You might be of age 35, 40 plus. 35 years हमने मैथ्स किया. Now, within 2 hours, what we learned will slowly will take around 30 days to understand and completely do the things. But yes, if you practice for 2 days the same topics, you will be going through it. अभी एक और कंसेप्ट आएगा, उसमें देखना कितना. Yes, 77 square.
5929.
Okay. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
87 square.
Seven 5 6 9.
Okay. So coming to the largest 2-digit number, 99 square.
Nine 801.
Okay. Now I told you that this system is for 2-digit numbers, but we can do it for 3 also. Just now what we were doing, we were finding a square, b square, and on the first digit we were not writing anything and we were writing 2ab here. A small change, because what happens, we all are getting, we just forget ki if it is 91, so we sometimes write only 1 instead of 0 1. One more way of writing is a square, your balancing line 2ab, b square. In this case, you don't have to bother whether you are writing a single digit or double digit, because ultimately you need to have only 1 digit at each balancing line. Let me show you what is the same example. 9 square, 81. 2ab, so 2 into 9 into 9 is 81. 2 1 6 2, 81. So 1, if 2 goes here, it becomes 170. So only 0 here, 17 goes further. So that is 98. Got this way? You can write down, this is your algebraic formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. But you don't have to interchange. This pattern has to be followed the same only. Now, what is the benefit of this is, with this we can do 3-digit also easily. Let me show you. In, let's say number is 101. So let's say A is 10 and B is equal to 1. So A square means 100. 2AB. So that is 2 into 10 into 1. And B square means 1 square, that is 1. So this is 1, 20, this is 100. So this goes here, it becomes 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. Any doubt? Yes, anyone has a doubt? See how easily you can find the answers, man. Otherwise, you have the way 3-time multiplication and 4-time addition. 101 into 101, that means 3-time multiplication you have to do. Any doubt? Okay, if you don't have any doubt, please solve 104.
One zero eight one six.
Zero 816.
Sorry,
10816.
1. So first would be 100, second would be
180.
40
80.
into 280, and the third would be 16.
16.
So 1 will go here, 6 here, 1, 10816, correct? Any doubt?
No.
Now my question is something different. Here you have taken A as a 2-digit number, B as 1-digit number. Can I take A as 1 and B as 10 as 0, 1? Yes, students can ask you this question. Why A only 2-digit number? Why not B 2-digit numbers? Yes, Ramesh Sharma, Yogananda. Think. Asha. Why?
यूनिट टेंस के प्लेस में सर यूनिट 10 100
Sorry?
यूनिट 10 100 के प्लेस में इसलिए
नहीं, इसलिए ऐसा कोई कंसेप्ट तो नहीं सुना मैंने। सोचिए। Yes, Ramesh. Okay, I'll give you the answer. But very sorry, you should attempt. You should try. You can do it. But what precaution you have to take, I'll tell you. A is 1, B is equal to 0, 1. Now that means B means unit digit or the left hand side digit. If it is a 2-digit number, difference would be at every place value, 2 digits would be allowed. So what is A square now? 1. What is 2AB? 2 into 1 into 1. You'll say 2. No. It is, because it is 2 digits, it would be 0, 2. And 0, 1 square is 0, 1. And this is your answer. Now you don't have to make 1 digit at one place value, because in the quotient itself, unit place is having 2 digits. That means 2 digits would be allowed at every place value. So the answer is simple: 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. Same. See why you need to understand this. It's not necessary every time 101 will come. Let's say 121. two methods. Let's take A is equal to 12, B is equal to 1. So what will happen? A is equal to 12 means 144. 2 into 12, 24. 1. So this goes here. It becomes 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Correct? Okay. For your clarity. If I take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 21, then 1, 2 AB. So 2 into 21 is 42. And 21 square, 4, 4, 1. So now only this digit will move. 41 will be as it is. 46 and 1. Same answer. Are you getting? Yes, Ramesh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because see, when numbers are bigger, every time you cannot do like this. I'll give you one example. See now. Have you written this? First write down this. Done? Okay. Now, see this example. 1, 3. Okay, not 1, 3. 1, 9. Let's say 913 is a question. Now, if you take A as 91, B as 3, that means you have to find the square of 91, which is difficult. Otherwise, you can take A as 9, B as 13. Now you know what is square of 13, 169. So which is easier? At this time, this will be easier. So you should know both the ways. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then solve this. First solve 913 only and solve by both methods. So that your answer should be same and all your doubts are clear. What happened? Itna der nahi.
833569.
Yes. 833569. Correct. Yes, Asha. आशा माइक बंद है.
Eight double 3 5 6 9.
Any doubt left?
No.
Okay. See why I told you that this is for 2-digit numbers. See अभी दिक्कत आ गया ना. Suppose 167 है. इसको निकालने में हम थक जाएंगे. Why? Because we know in 2 digits it was very easy. Single का निकाल लिया. Now it is becoming tougher. So I'll give you one more method. So we'll learn 3 different techniques of finding a square today, and you'll see how all are different. Right? First, find out 167. Any method you can apply. You can have A as 16 and B as 7. Definitely you will not go for second this time for making B as 67.
Seven, 8, 9.
सर यहाँ पर इसका आया 256, उसके बाद 224, उसके बाद 49.
कैसे कैसे किया? 16 का लिया या
16 का सर,
ए
16 का स्क्वायर
ओके 16 स्क्वायर क्या होता है?
256,
So 256 then
224, 224,
कैसे 16 into 14
16 into 2 32, 32 into 7
और 7 स्क्वायर का 49.
49.
नाउ अब सिंगल ले रहे हैं यूनिट प्लेस का तो सिंगल ही रहेगा ना. 9 एज इट इज 448 हो गया. 22 आगे गया तो 278.
Oh.
क्या गलती की?
नहीं ठीक है, ये एडिशन में कंफ्यूज हो गए थे. 22 को इधर लाना पड़ा.
22 इसलिए लाना है क्योंकि सिंगल आप सिंगल कंसीडर कर रहे हैं तो सिंगल ही रहेगा हर जगह. एक लास्ट स्टेप करते हैं एंड देन व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस स्टफ सो दैट लेटर ऑन आई विल गिव यू द सेम. This you can do mentally within 2 seconds. But first you should feel that yes, it is tough. You should feel the pain.
ऐसे भी ले सही.
करिए. ये 2 सेकंड में आप खुद करेंगे. 1 मिनट बाद हम करा.
994761.
Yes.
994761.
99. Sorry, wrong. It is 998001. Don't worry, we'll do it in easy method again, and then you'll see how fast. Now, all of you took around 2 minutes, then also wrong. But now you'll solve the same within 2 seconds mentally. Hold on for that. Now, the second concept is finding. So this was very useful when it is 2-digit numbers. For 3-digit numbers, it starts becoming a bit difficult. Second thing, we don't have practice. So we now finding squares of numbers ending with 5. Most simple. Now, what are the numbers? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. How it is to be done? Very easy concept is, suppose it is 15. Divide the answer into 2 parts. For 5, you'll get 25 every time. And whatever is this number, multiply with 1 more. So that is why it is called as Ekadikena. Yesterday we did in 9. Before 9, whatever is the number, we added 1. Here we multiply with 1 more. So what is 1 more than 1? What comes after 1?
2.
और 1 more का क्या मतलब होता है? What is 1 more? Adding 1.
Yeah,
So what is 1 more than 1?
2.
2. So 1 is multiplied by 1 more. 2. So what is the answer? 2 to 5. Mentally कीजिए. 25. What is 1 more than 2? 3. Or in the other language, what comes after 2? 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. 625. 35. What comes after 3? 4. 3 into
12.
12.
12, 25.
Is it clear now? Yes, Yogananda, is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Ramesh? Okay, so what is 45 square?
Zero.
Yes, Asha. इतना नहीं है देर लगना.
20, 25.
That's all. 20, 25. So that should be the speed. 20, 25. What is 55 square?
25, 25. 6, 30, 25.
30, 25.
0 to 5.
What is 65 square?
There's a 40 to 25.
What is?
4 to 2.
So see how you are going speedily. 65 is 42, 25. What is 75 then?
49, 49, 25.
56, 25.
56, 25.
85.
72, 25.
95.
81, 25. 90,
25.
90, 25.
90, 25.
Yes, Ramesh, is it clear? Yogananda, is it clear? Bindu, is
Yes,
it clear?
Yeah.
What is 105?
105. 11 into 10, 110. 11025.
So, is it difficult? What is 115?
121. 121. 25.
अच्छा, फिर वही 11 into 12 क्या होता है? कल किया था
Okay.
11 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन 132.25.
132.25.
What is, see, you can write down later on. First concentrate. What is 12 into 13 now? 156.25. 135. So what is 13 into 14?
Into 14.
क्या होगा? Yes, 13 into 14 क्या होता है?
182.
आशा, इतना सा कैलकुलेशन नहीं आता? Last or 145. What is 14 into 20 into 15? 210. सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. देखो 14 into 15 का मतलब क्या है? 10 से पहले कर लो 140, 7 से वो आधा करो 70, 210.25. Is it clear now?
Yes.
And it's not only 145, whatever number. Now you cannot right now, your speed is very slow, but even if it is suppose 20, so 20 into 21, 420. Yes, Asha, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you know why it is happening this way? Why it is coming 25 every time? And why this is, just now we did one concept that was a square 2ab
Plus B square.
b square. Now let's say the number is a5. A means any digit. A can be 1 to any number. Let's 1 to 15 only. Just now we have solved on any number. And 5 is constant. So what happens? Here it is a square. Here it becomes 10a. And here it becomes 25.
10A.
So what happens? Can we write it as a square? This, if I shift a here, it becomes a square plus a. And here 2 goes and 0. So it becomes 25 only. Got it? So what is a square plus a? A is my number into a plus 1. And on the other side, I have 25. This is the reason of that concept. अब कितना आसान हो गया? You know, so 15 talking about a is 1. 1 into 2, 25. Correct? Yes, Asha. क्या सोच रहे हो?
सर हम ये सोच रहे हैं यहाँ पर ये 2A भी है ना, तो B कहाँ गया सर इसमें? 10A, सिर्फ 10A है यहाँ पर. B कहाँ गया?
B 5 है ना?
B का 5 है ना, 10 कैसे आ गया? 2 into 5. यही तो 2 के साथ 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ना. B क्या है? B क्या है ये?
B5.
तभी तो ये कर रहे हैं ना. इन केस सी ये जनरल फॉर्मूला है. अगर B कांस्टेंट 5 ही है, हमने क्या किया अभी? नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 5. सो B 5 हो गया. यहां भी तो B कहां गया फिर 25 की जगह?
ठीक.
This is the theory behind, this is the concept behind that, what we learned. So was it easy? Within 1 second we can do. And normally आता है 75 square is asked, 145 square is asked, 15 square is asked, 25 square is asked. So it's not necessary हर बार आप 145 square को अगर आप ऐसे करने बैठ गए तो हो गया आपका कल्याण. 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 1 बार एडिशन. और अभी हमने क्या किया? सिर्फ 14 और 15 को मल्टीप्लाई किया and we got the answer. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes.
Now we come to the third concept. also known as universal method. First, I'll share a very simple problem. फिर जो वो 99 वाले थे वो कितना मुश्किल थे वो अभी देखना आप कितना सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. My question is, suppose I have to find 23 square. How can I get 0 at this position? My aim is to get 0. How can I get? Yes, Ramesh. आशा, यहां पर 0 कैसे आएगा? 23 को कैसे बदलोगे? क्या ऐड करोगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे कि यहां 0 आ जाए?
7 ऐड करने से 0 आ जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. और यस योगा नंदा,
10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने 7 ऐड 0 आ जाएगा.
ठीक है. यस रमेश.
13 से
3 subtract.
हाँ,
Subtract 3.
into 1.
subtract 3. Okay, good. This is Vedic maths. हर चीज आपकी करेक्ट है. You don't have to be fixed to one particular method. -3. 20. जो आशा ने कहा +7 30. But whatever we are adding or subtracting, उसका रिवर्स भी करना है. यहाँ 3 माइनस किया था, 3 ऐड कर दो. यहाँ ऐड किया था, यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. Now see, ये 0 क्यों लगाया था, बनाया था ताकि इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी हो जाए. व्हाट इज 26 into 20? 26 into 2 क्या होता है? 52.
5
इजी हो गया. 26 into 2 इजी हो गया. यहाँ 16 into 3 इजी हो गया. 16 into 3 is 480. और इसका स्क्वायर या इसका स्क्वायर, दिस स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? 9. 529 ऐड कर दो. यहाँ अगर इसको 49 को ऐड कर दो तो भी 529. देखो कितने मेथड्स हैं. आपने बोला, एक ने बोला 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो 20 आ जाएगा. एक ने बोला 7 ऐड कर दो. ओके, बोथ आर करेक्ट. यस आशा, एनी डाउट? एक क्वेश्चन और, एक पहले बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन देता हूं. जस्ट सी ओवर इट. 999 में आपने इतना टाइम लगाया था. जस्ट पे अटेंशन. इफ आई ऐड 1 इट बिकम्स 1000. अगर 1000 से किसी को मल्टीप्लाई करना तो क्या वो मुश्किल है? यस योगनंदा. when all the zeros are there, what is the difficulty? Because that means you are multiplying with 1. Now added 1, so subtract 1 also. Subtracting 1 gives 998. These two multiply and get 99800. And square of this 1. 998001. How easy this is? लास्ट टाइम आपने क्या किया था? पहले 9 का स्क्वायर निकाला, फिर 99 का स्क्वायर निकाला, फिर 2 into 9 into 99 किया, और अभी क्या किया? नथिंग. Yes, understood the difference or not? Yes, Ramesh. Is it clear? Asha?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Easy है उससे?
बहुत ज्यादा.
चलिए करिए फिर. लिख लीजिए पहले ये, then I'll give you more. Clear or not? Okay. सेम एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा इजी. अगर 997 होता तब what is the answer? Can you think of doing this 997 with that first method? Yes, Yogananda, Asha.
Yes, sir.
इसको पहले मेथड से कर सकते हो सॉल्व 997 को?
नहीं सर, ये लास्ट वाला मेथड, यूनिवर्सल मेथड.
97 का स्क्वायर देन 2 into 9 into 99 कितनी कैलकुलेशंस करनी पड़ती?
इसमें भी तो प्रॉब्लम. इसमें जीरो ही नहीं आ रहा है. उससे होगा.
क्यों?
998.
997 प्लस 3 करो तो क्या आएगा? 1000 नहीं हो जाएगा?
हम 1 कर रहे हैं.
हर एक में 1 थोड़ा करते रहेंगे. माइनस 3 करो 994. सो आंसर इज 994,000 और बाद में 3 का स्क्वायर 9. सो 994,009. इससे इजी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है अब. और ये नॉर्मल मैथ से इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट थिंक. Yes. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
चलिए एक दो क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं. 113 सॉल्व कीजिए.
One two seven six nine.
Sorry.
12769.
Okay. Yes. Asha, what is your answer?
Ninety-seven. Plus 57. 67. 10874.
क्या हो रहा है आशा? ध्यान कहाँ है आपका?
यही
-1300. अब 3 को मत करिए. Make it easy for you. 126. So 12600 और 13 स्क्वायर अभी हमने किया था 169. 12769. आप क्या कर रहे होंगे? What I can
हम
assume. 1000 कहाँ से आ
87
गया? 113 का 1000 कैसे बन गया? आप कर रहे होंगे -3.
87
यही कर रहे हैं.
हम 87 दिए सर, 1000 बना दिए.
अब ये क्या कर सकते हैं हम? चलिए एक और कीजिए. 209. करिए करिए. थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
-9.
63681.
Very good answer.
43681. Sorry.
So
43681.
209 means -9. It becomes 200. And here it becomes 218. So 218 into 2. 6,
430.
3, 4, 00. And 9 square is 81. So 4, 3, 6, 8, 1. Any questions, any doubts now?
One more sir.
321. 21 square का बता देता हूँ. 441 होता है.
One zero three zero four one.
So 19. 1467.
बस 1267 कैसे होगा?
14.
7 कैसे लास्ट में आएगा? हम्म 321, 300, 342.
2.
So what is 342 or 16?
1026.
ठीक है. 20. So 441 अगर ऐड करेंगे तो 441 का 7 कहाँ से आया?
हम 0 नहीं डाले थे.
फिर इतनी छोटी छोटी गलतियां करेंगे तो कैसे होगा? ठीक है. अब कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट्स लेफ्ट? So let's move to the second section. where you learn how to start your own classes. Right, we'll give you. So this was the first concept, 23 square. So 409, 2 ka square 4 or 09. Leave the unit place and write the product starting from 10th place. This is what we did. 529, 59 square. So all notes are available again in the same group. If you can download 65 square, 98 square. Second concept was using Kadikena Purvena with the numbers ending with 5. So we tried with 15, we tried with number of all the examples we have done. Now the third was your universal method. So 26 plus 4 minus 4, correct? And this is how we have done it. So now the second topic, one is we did squares. Any doubt in this? Any questions you have? The second would be cubes. But before that, see what is the agenda of the workshop. Learn and launch your own classes, right? And lead towards the path of success. So learn, launch, lead. So launching will be learning now how to launch your classes, how to start your classes. Correct. So if you have the content, if you have everything, how to start and what things you have to take care of. So let's start with that. A bit theory part, need to understand. If any doubt is there, you can ask me right same moment, right? Okay. Now, when we are planning to launch a classes, very first thing is a thorough course idea. See, whatever we do, we should have a plan for it. Yes, I am learning Vedic maths. That is one thing. But who is your target audience? That you need to understand. कल को आप ऐड देते हैं तो क्या लिखेंगे? Learn Vedic mathematics. Who? What is that ad for? Whom is that ad for? Is it for the students of class 2nd, 3rd, 4th? Is it for the seniors? Or is it for the women entrepreneurs? Or is it for some trainers? You have to be clear in your concepts. Now, simply giving an ad, posting an ad, yes, learn Vedic mathematics, do you think people will come to you? No. Because everyone today looks for a specialized person. So when you are trying to launch when you are going to launch your own classes, it is not necessary you have the complete content with you, but you should know what you are going to teach and what is your target audience. Now, by target audience, I mean, for example, now you'll be learning a teacher training program, and what after that? What is your target? Is it children your target? Is students who are going for competitive examinations? Those are your target? Or third, the trainers, the teachers who want to become a trainer. So making trainers is your target. So these three are entirely different. Even when you are talking about teaching students, that also differs. Why? Because when you're going to teach to a students of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, that is entirely different from what you will be teaching to the class 6th, 7th, 8th, or 9th, 10th, and forward. So very clearly, your target audience should be very clear, and what content you'll be teaching to the students or trainers or competitive exam, that should be clear. Again, I'm specifying, it's not that you have a complete course and material with you right that moment, but you should have the content tree with you. You should know what is a table of content and how the routine will go or how the plan will go. That you need to know, because the parents, if you are targeting only students, the first question parents would be asking you how much time it will take, what all you will cover. So you should have a thorough knowledge about that. You cannot say at that moment, no, my other teacher will look for this, or I don't know about this. Can you say this? No, you have to hit the null the same moment. So that means the same moment you need to answer it. Are you getting the point? See, content, I will be, when today, yesterday also I gave you some content. Today also you'll get some content. You are ready to teach students of class 3rd, 4th. You have this much of content to teach for 15 days. 15 classes you can take with that only. But parent will not agree to 15 days only. Na? They'll ask what after that. So you should have a complete idea of what you are going to offer. So this is the first thing you should know. And again, yesterday we had a word regarding content and delivery. See, content all of you will be getting. What about delivery part? So you have to focus on that also, because content can be taken from anybody else also, but your delivery will be always different from a second person, and that makes you different also. So you need to work on that thing again, right? So this was the first point which you need to understand, and you should, right? Now, when you are talking about students, so you can categorize them class 3rd, 4th, 5th, because they are the younger ones. They need to be taught different way, and the content would be different. If you want to take help from me, I have got the books for class 3rd, 4th, 5th separate, then 6th, 7th, 8th separate, and then teachers training course. So that entirely there should be a difference, right? Second important thing is, when you're going to start with the classes, you need an email list or a contact list. Now, email list does not specify only ki, yes, you should have an email IDs only. No, it means you should have their address or something, contact details. How will you approach them? Even if you are putting the ad on the Facebook, now here it differs. If you're putting your commercial ad on your Facebook profile, you will never get a single like. If you want, you can try it. You might have always observed, when you post regarding your personal pic, family function, then you receive so many likes, comments. But the moment you put regarding your business, nobody is least interested. Why? Because your friends, your relatives, they are interested in your personal things, not your professional business, because everybody has a different business of their own. Might be they are the competitors for you. So they'll never acknowledge your post, a business post on your profile. So that was one reason when I told you, whenever you are posting, always go for a professional page. Professional, it's a name professional, otherwise it hardly takes a second to create. Only 2-3 steps and a page is created. But the difference is, because page does not have a friend list, it has likes, it has address, it has map, it has reviews, it has job section, it has so many other sections which are generally of a commercial office or a commercial building office, right? And there is a transparency that indicates since how long your page exists. In other words, it tells to the customer how much old your business is and how much you are valuable as per that rating, because your reviews are there. Yes, is it clear? So be careful whenever you have to launch something, whenever you have to do business, please go for page, not for your personal profile. You will definitely get benefit out of it all. Correct? Now coming to the third thing, the sales page. Yes, this is what is required. So to start with, see, initially you don't want to make investments. So the Facebook page, Instagram page, they are your best source of free launching, where you can launch your classes immediately without any payments. So we'll learn this in detail in the next slide. Coming to way of payments. See, payments are a very big issue. Now if I talk about India, we have Paytm, we have several mobile apps through which we can take the payments. And then there are accounts through which we can take RTGS payments. So when you are taking payments from your own country, then it is quite easy. But the moment if it is international borders, for example, I have to take payment from Nepal, then it is a difficult situation. At that time, we have to go through some government norms, and as per that, we have to do the transactions. So again, we'll discuss this in detail. Terms and conditions. See, these are the 5 important points which we need to understand before you launch your own pro classes. Now, terms and conditions, everyone has their own terms and conditions. If I am not giving something at a discounted price, it does not mean everybody is not giving. Or if I am not giving free classes, it does not mean everybody is not giving. So you have to see your position in your market. You have to basically create your position. So I would request everyone, never offer your classes free of cost. See, nobody will ever recognize you. If you don't value for your money, your time, why would others value for your money and time? You take some amount, but always take, so that the other person feels that he is gaining some knowledge from you. If you are giving it free, they will have no value. Do you know, do we value for air? Do we value for water, which is free of cost available in nature? We never value for air, water. But yes, in summer seasons, when we are finding difficult to get water, that time we understand, yes, water is very precious. And and for air, it happened in Corona, when there was no, I don't know about your country, but yes, there was an emergency situation in Delhi when their oxygen cylinders were not available, and people were rushing to other states, other cities, just to get a cylinder which is normally available for 100 rupees. It was available for 14,000-15,000. How many times it was available? And we have seen that situation. The reason behind it, say, no value for free things. So please always remember, when you are going to launch your classes, whatever terms and conditions you have, but try to have some nominal fees, so that the other person also respects your knowledge, your time, and your money. Correct? Again, the point remains the same: content and delivery. So you have to work on both these things. In Vedic mathematics, I can share you the content. You can have notes from my books. It is one of the best books in the world right now, and that is the reason they were awarded. But still, you can check. It is, see, the call is yours. Now, when you are launching the classes, there are certain things which are very important. How did you approach me? How did you reach me? That was through a Facebook ad. That means you got stuck to some ad, or you got attracted to some ad or some post, and then you watched it. Yes? Yes, Yogananda. Otherwise, how do we get it? Yes, Asha, Bindu. So now the point is,
Yes, sir.
when you are also launching your classes, you need to have eye-catching content. How will you make that? Eye-catching content means you should add images, graphics, media, videos. So where do we get it? See, all are readily available nowadays. You don't have to worry that much. What was 5 years, 3 years back? After Corona, everything is available on net and very easily available. So if you want to go for the good images, then Corel, Photoshop are two major sources where you can design, you can develop, or you can create the images. But when we are having only mobile, we don't have a laptop, then what? Yes, then also there is a solution, and the solution is called as Canva. It's a very handy tool with which you can, where you get so many pictures, and you just have to change the names and do it as per your requirement. How many of you have used Canva? Yes, Yogananda, Asha. Have you used Canva anywhere, anytime?
It's new for me, sir.
Sorry?
It's new, sir, for me. I don't know Canva.
Canva is, so what do you do, Yogananda?
Pardon me, sir.
आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do?
मैं तो टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में हूँ, सर.
टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में है. ओके. तो कभी इमेजेस और ये इसका जरूरत नहीं पड़ा बनाने का?
नहीं, इसका कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ा.
टीचर्स ने तो अभी जैसे कोरोना था तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ली, तो दे हैव दिस, इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट टूल, यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम प्ले स्टोर, और इमेजेस बनी बनाई उसमें टेम्पलेट्स होते हैं, यू कैन चेंज एंड मेक इट फॉर यू. गॉट इट? जैसे कैनवा, कोरल और फोटोशॉप में आपको क्रिएट करना पड़ता था, यहाँ क्रिएट नहीं करने की जरूरत. इमेजेस जिसे हम टेम्पलेट्स कहते हैं, टेम्पलेट्स मींस द रेडी इमेजेस वेयर यू कैन जस्ट चेंज योर नेम और योर figures and you can get it done, right? But this is very much important, very much required, because if you don't have a catchy image or video, how will people stop at your post? Do you know per second how many posts are done? Lakhs and lakhs. So why will somebody get attracted, or somebody would look at you? Only if you have some eye-catching content, right? Similarly, for videos, there is InShot, where you can record your video from your mobile only, and you can make some changes to it. One more important video editor is there, which is not, you cannot say it as an editor. It is something, if you have to give a speech. Speech means if you have to read some content. Now, you cannot keep a notebook in front of you and read. That looks odd, and your eyes show that. So what is, for that, there is a software called as Teleprompter. Now, in earlier days, news people, this news reporters, they used to use this software. The script used to float in front of them. Sorry. So the script used to float in front of them, and they used to read it and speak up. So that is known as teleprompter. A very good, you can write down whatever you want to speak, hold the mobile in your hand, and you can record. Nobody would be able to judge that you are reading and speaking. So this is very good software. You can make a note of this, teleprompter, with which you can make videos, which would be very helpful for you. Okay. So this is the list of freebies which you can get. Unlimited free videos, images, Pixabay, Pixels, Vidsplay. So please take a screenshot so that you can use these freebies to create your own images or interest, right? You can take a print screen or a screenshot. Yes, Asha? Ramesh, Bindu, again.
हाँ,
नींद आ गया?
नहीं
कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा ये थ्योरी समझना जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये कुछ टॉपिक्स वी नीड टू राइट. Now coming to the sales page. Now, when you have to launch the classes, now very important question arises is, are you going to give a recorded sessions or live sessions? This is a very big question. Both the things have their own merits. Some prefer live sessions because you get more understanding. But there are people who are interested to go for record sessions. So this decision entirely depends on you. But yes, if you ask my suggestions, so I always prefer live sessions. Why? Because our subject is mathematics, which needs practice. I cannot only record something and give it to you. You cannot understand, because until and unless you solve problems yourself, you'll not be able to learn. Right? But there are people, yesterday somebody approached me. She was from India. She had qualified net. She was a net qualified. She said, no, I don't have time for live sessions. I can go only for the recorded. So I don't have any recorded sessions for my classes. I have never recorded. I always give live and give that same recording to the participants so that they get advantage of it, but it is not for others. Now, so once you are doing it, you also have to decide. Then you have to think over, are you going for one-to-one or you are going for a group sessions? Because there are students, there are teachers who want one-on-one session, and there are people who after Corona, see, we all know that after Corona, everybody has got this money problems. So definitely when you are taking one by one, one-on-one, so you'll be charging more. And in group, it might be some discounted price. So this you have to think over, right? So this is what you need to decide before you launch. You cannot change in between every time. Yes, once for a while you can, but okay, coming to the sales pages. Now, once you have decided, these are the, there are some things which is freely available. If you are going for an open webinar, workshops, meetings, classes, you might have sometimes seen that you are online and you just receive a notification that your friend is live now. Right? You might have seen this thing. What is that? Live. So either he is doing some meeting, some class, or maybe any activity, but the Facebook is giving you the notification. So same, you can give in advance that notification, or at the same time your friends, your people could know. So that this is possible in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp group, right? So you can start with these open webinars where it depends, you want to take the payments or not. Now applications are there like Udemy, where you can record and place the videos. People can take these videos for their help. You can charge, or it can be free of cost. YouTube can be a very big source to launch your classes free of cost. You might have seen several videos, right? Similarly, LinkedIn is one such place, but LinkedIn is a bit restricted. So initially you can start with Facebook, Instagram, and please remember, this is not possible on your profile. It is possible on only your page. Even if you have to advertise your classes, that cannot be done without having a page. Right. So sponsored ads, when we talk about, that is possible only on a page, not on a profile. Talking about the paid or restricted. So Zoom, like we are doing now. Now all of you paid, that is the reason you got the password. So this is how you can take hold of paid or restricted webinars, workshops, meeting, classes. So Zoom is one such platform. Google Meet, this is another platform. Then we have something called as LMS, Learning Management Systems, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler, but all these are paid ones. What is the difference now? How Thinkific is different from Zoom, Teachable is different from Zoom or Zenler? Why they are called as LMS, Learning Management System? See what happens. Learning Management System is a complete system where your records are maintained. The student enters, some videos are there, he can log in, he can see. So you give a personal password to every student. And so the student can take live also classes and later on look through the recorded sessions also. Right, so it depends like this. Now, but yesterday, if you saw, I gave the recording on YouTube. Why? Because it can be easily done. Right, and YouTube, you get it free of cost. So if you have to maintain your budget, then you can go for YouTube also. Okay. So these all are the platforms from where you can start. As I told you regarding payment now, most of the people are from Nepal. Instamojo, Razorpay, PayPal, these are not working in your country. So in your country, e-Seva is one which you can transfer money from one person to another. But yes, if you have to pay to someone outside or someone in India, for example, then SBI Bank, you have branches of SBI Bank, Nepal State Bank, there you can do, right? So there is no such restriction that you cannot do, but yes, amount wise, you have to give a reason behind it. Up till 15,000, nobody asks you. Or for a training, you can give. For medicine, you can give. Nothing like that. And similarly, you can accept also. But the most easiest today is your e-Seva, right? So any questions first? Any questions you have regarding scares or regarding your launching, how to start, how to launch your classes? Any doubts you have? Yes? Asha, koi question?
No questions, sir. Fine.
Ramesh? Yogananda?
No questions, sir.
Okay, I'll
Yes.
give a 2-minute break. You can have water, you can go to washroom so that we can start with the cubes. Yes, if you want, we can give. Otherwise, I'm ready. Not an issue. Or you don't want?
It's okay, sir. We can proceed.
2 minutes break, right? You can have. Asha, you can also have a break of 2 minutes. Kar lete hain. Yes. Yes, रमेश जी कहाँ चले गए थे? Asha, Yogananda, are you back?
Yes, sir.
आगे चलिए. Okay, so now we'll be starting with cubes, the last topic, last session of today's workshop. So what is cube? A number, and it is written like 3, and that is multiplied by itself, right? In square, it was 2 times, and here it is 3 times. Got it? Is it clear? So if n is 1 cube, that means 1 into 1 into 1. So what is the answer? 1 multiplied by 1 into 1. 1. If it is 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So please write down this table. This is again very important, useful to find cubes of bigger numbers as well as cube roots when you will be doing later on. This is very essential, very useful, very helpful to find the cubes. Please write down. Done? Okay. Now, first thing is we'll start learning cubes of 2 digits numbers. That is 11 to 99. Right? Now, to make it more interesting, I'll divide all these numbers into 4 categories. First category, numbers starting with 1. Asha, are you there? Bindu? So what are the numbers starting with 1? 11, 12, 13, and up till 19. Second, numbers ending with 1. So that means 21, 31, 41, 91. Third, numbers where both digits are same. For example, 11, 22, 33, 88, 99. Fourth, all numbers. First, leftover numbers also, and all numbers, all such numbers. So leftover में अगर बात करें तो we have 23, 24, 98, and all the other numbers also. All the numbers we have done. So it is a general technique. First three are which makes your speed very fast, which makes your learning a fun, learning a interest. See, when students are going through this age, they need something interesting. First question, let's say we have to find a number, a cube of 12. Now, how do we do? 12 square, we find first. So that is 144, correct? Then we again multiply this with 12, 8, 8, 2, 0, 1, 4, 4, and we make it 2, 7. This is how we do. Yes, please speak up, Ramesh, Yogananda, Asha, Bindu.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
यही हम करते हैं. इसके अलावा हमारे को कोई कंसेप्ट पता है?
नहीं.
चलिए
अब
अब बेसिक मैथ्स में देखिए कैसे करते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप, 4 स्टेप्स है. फर्स्ट स्टेप, क्रिएट अ स्पेस ऑफ 4 डिजिट्स. 4 जगह बना लो खाली. सेकंड, राइट फर्स्ट नंबर एट फर्स्ट पोजीशन, सेकंड नंबर एट सेकंड पोजीशन, थर्ड और फोर्थ खाली छोड़िए. मुश्किल है ये स्टेप?
नो.
समझ आ रहा है?
आ रहा है.
थर्ड स्टेप, ये जो इनर नंबर है इसका स्क्वायर निकालिए. व्हाट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 2?
4.
यहां लिख दीजिए. और इसका क्यूब निकालिए और आगे लिख दीजिए. व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 2?
8. 8.
सो नंबर आ गया 1 2. फोर्थ स्टेप पर हमारे पास ये नंबर आया हुआ है 1 2 4 8, करेक्ट. अब जैसे पहले करते थे, यहां भी कुछ नहीं लिखना, यहां भी कुछ नहीं लिखना. इनके दोनों के नीचे डबल कर दो. 2 का डबल क्या होगा? 4. 4 का डबल क्या होगा? 8. और ऐड कर दो. 1 7 2 8. समझ आया?
आया.
यस, योगानंदा. Yogananda, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, let's see one more. Okay, one question. Why did I kept 4 places? Why not 5? Why not 3? Yogananda, Bindu, Ramesh, Asha.
The product should be 4 digits.
Sorry?
The product should be 4 digits.
क्यूब है इसलिए.
तो क्यूब में 4 ही डिजिट आते हैं.
नहीं.
सोच लेना, कोई बात नहीं. Let's solve one more. 14 क्यूब. अभी मैं 4 स्टेप्स नहीं लिखूंगा. फर्स्ट 4 1 4. What is square of 4? 16. Cube of 4 64. 4 का डबल 8. इसका डबल 32 ऐड किया 1 12 48 64 सो इधर भेजा 4 रह गया 48 प्लस 6 इज 54 4 5 इधर गया 7 क्या ये डिफिकल्ट है? जो कैलकुलेशन हम आगे करते थे उसमें कैरी ओवर्स आते हैं मल्टीपल, हमें दोबारा कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ती है। यहाँ कितना इजीली आपने 1 और 4 लिखा, 4 का स्क्वायर 4 का क्यूब, बिकॉज वी हैव डन बोथ द टेबल्स। स्क्वायरिंग का टेबल भी किया हमने, क्यूबिंग का भी टेबल किया है। इज इट डिफिकल्ट? यस आशा, क्लियर हुआ या
No,
एनी
sir.
डाउट?
हुआ सर क्लियर।
अगर हो गया तो प्लीज सॉल्व 13 क्यूब। सॉल्व।
Which is a 9, 27.
2197
21767.
अलग अलग आंसर क्यों आ रहे हैं? हम्म 1 3 9 27 6 18 so 1 9 27 27 so ये 2 इधर गया, ये 7, ये 9, ये 2 इधर गया 11 so 1 क्या हुआ आशा?
जी सर।
कहाँ गलती हो रही है बार बार? इज इट डिफिकल्ट? नहीं समझ आ रहा?
नहीं है डिफिकल्ट।
चलिए आ गया तो
Practice
18 का करिए।
प्रैक्टिस करना।
हर चीज को यही नहीं बोलना, प्रैक्टिस करना है। एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की प्रैक्टिस का टाइम खत्म हो चुका है। इसमें कुछ भी नहीं हम कर रहे हैं, एडिशन करना है। एडिशन में गलती करेंगे और हर बार एक आंसर नहीं देना है कि प्रैक्टिस करना है। चलिए 18 का कीजिए प्लीज। ध्यान देना है, कंसंट्रेशन करना है। अभी देखिए फिर बंद करके बैठ गए वीडियो तो वो क्या होगा, घर का काम शुरू हो गया।
नहीं सर, बच्चे लोग स्कूल से आए इसलिए।
कोई बात नहीं, फिर बच्चों को देख लीजिए, क्लास रहने दीजिए अभी। अब 2 काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, उसमें क्या होगा, यहाँ पे भी नहीं अटेंड कर पाएंगे, वहां भी नहीं, वो भी इरिटेट होंगे, यहाँ आपको समझ नहीं आएगा। एक टाइम पर एक ही काम।
Five 832 5832
यस रमेश, यस आशा।
थैंक्स सर।
मैं नहीं करूँ। 1 8 8 का स्क्वायर 64, 8 का क्यूब
32।
क्या
512
32 कैसे होता है?
16
क्या 16 का क्या?
16 3 48। क्या हो रहा है?
अभी
It is
टेबल
60
लिखा था, वो टेबल लिखा था नहीं लिखा था?
64 का क्यूब
64 का नहीं, 8 का क्यूब निकालिए। 8 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 64 into 8 क्या होता है? 512. Got it? 512.
Yes.
So यहाँ पे 16 हो जाएगा, यहाँ 128 हो जाएगा, यहाँ कुछ नहीं रहेगा, तो you'll get the answer correct. ठीक है, चलिए. Any doubt when 11, 12 up till 19 now?
No doubt.
Yes,
No.
Yogananda, it is clear.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Very good. So let's do the opposite now. Second is numbers ending with 1. We might have, this is very often, listen, 21 cube. So what is 21 cube? 21 into 21, 21, 0, then 4, 2, so 441 आ जाता है. Then again 21 करते हैं and again process. But see here, again, first step is same, 5, 4 numbers. I'm taking 21 example. Second step, पहले इधर से शुरू किया था, now we'll start from the other side. 1 at the outer, 2 at the this. Third, now what is square of 2? 4. What is cube of 2? 8. So 8, 4, 2, 1 हमारा आंसर आ गया. Fourth step पे what we'll do? Again doubling is key. Doubling is key. So what is the answer? 9, 2, 6, 1. जो हमारा इतना टफ के बाद आता है वो simply answer we got it. Is it clear? Now is it clear? Yes, Asha.
Yes, sir. Yes, clear.
Ramesh is not there. Bindu. Okay. If it is clear, let's do one more. 41. So that means 4, 1. Square of 4, 16. Cube of 4, 64. 32, 8. So 1, 12, 48, 64. This goes here, this goes here. So 1, 2, 9, 6, 8. See how easily you can solve without any big calculations. You're not doing any big calculations. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Done. So if you are clear, please solve 31 cube.
Two 29791.
Okay. Yes, Asha, what is the answer?
10921.
कैसे मैम? बताइए क्या आया फर्स्ट डिजिट?
9631.
9 कैसे आया? आप 1 लिखे, 3 लिखा, 3 का स्क्वायर 6 होता है क्या?
नहीं 9
और 9 और 3 का क्यूब,
27
तो फिर 6 कहां से आ गया? 9 का डबल 18, 3 का डबल 6, सो 1 9 तो आना ही है लास्ट में, ये 27 है तो 7 2 इधर गया 2 9, इससे इजी कैसे होगा? यस
यस और को
सेवेंटी वन का क्या रहेगा?
Three five seven 911.
वेरी गुड. यस आशा, रमेश, okay. Now see, this was a workshop where you learned some concepts. You learned about multiplication with 11, you learned about tables, you learned about scaling, you learned about cubing. What after this? So after this we have two more cases, but before that I'll just give you a brief description. What is teachers training program? You saw opportunities today, but how to explore those opportunities? So we have a teachers training program, right, where I take 6 to 8 teachers in one batch. Generally it is 60 to 65 hours. Now the classes are either weekdays or weekend. Weekdays means Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and weekend means only Saturdays and Sundays. So if you have 9 to 11 p.m. is one section which is already going for Nepal students. 6 to 8 is another option, which is, now that means you are giving 6 hours in 1 week. So your total course will take around 10 to 11 weeks. If it is only Saturdays, Sundays, that means 4 hours. So it will take 15 to 16 weeks to complete. Right. So this is the basic thing I need to tell you. There are number of batches, morning, evening, afternoon, which you can go for. Now, what do we cover in that? Let me clear you Okay, let me have. So that is a very detailed one, so that you have a thorough knowledge of the subject and you can teach a student to. So 6 levels we have. First level deals with the basic, what is Vedic mathematics, the terminology, the complement, digital root. Now, do you know one thing? You can also recheck your answers. Students find it difficult to recheck the answers. There is a concept in Vedic maths which takes only 3 seconds. Yeah, yesterday we took, when we studied 8th topic, multiplication tables ending with numbers 9 and multiplication of any 2-digit numbers. So that was from step 1. So we have 6 steps to do. So, we'll study addition, subtraction, simultaneous addition and subtraction. Now this is not there in your normal maths. You cannot simultaneously add and subtract in mathematics, but that is possible in Vedic maths. The second step, it deals with only one kind of multiplication, that is known as Nikhilam multiplication, so that you become mentally stronger. You can calculate all the multiplication. For example, 999 into 999. So 998001, 998 into 997. So this way you can be fast enough. The third book deals with all the other types of multiplications, the general techniques as well as special techniques. We did yesterday regarding 11 multiplication. So 8th topic, 9th topic we did yesterday. 111, 10th topic we did yesterday. And so there are certain other concepts also which will make you mentally more faster. This is up till multiplication. Thereafter we have a concept known as doubling, halving. Now this is a very good brain game where you at the same time you use your left brain as well as your right brain and finding the scales. So today we were doing this topic. If you see, we did 6th topic, 7th topic today, and we did 11th topic. That was for scale. So we have 17 topics, and then cubing, we are doing the first topic, cube of 2-digit numbers using a Anurpena Sutra in a simple manner. So this is all regarding cubes. Then step 5, we start with division. There are methods where you'll do mental division also, because division is considered the most difficult for any student. But I'll share you, Yogananda, we have shared you the details also. Otherwise, the website dryogeshchandna.in/books. Here you'll get the complete content, right? So the latest one. So we have teacher training books, then we have school books for school children also, because in that syllabus would be differing. It would be less. LCM, HCF, addition, subtraction, fractions, all these are dealt in step 5. Step 6, it deals with your cube roots, square roots, divisibility. Now, if you are a teacher, you might be knowing you don't have any concept of divisibility by 7, 13, 19, 29, because these are prime numbers and maths cannot solve this. But in Vedic maths, we have a solution for this. So whatever cannot be done in maths, that can be done in Vedic mathematics. Quadratic equations. So algebra is again a part of this course. What you need 6 lines to write equation, we can solve here in 1 line. So algebra, again, a difficult thing for all the students. So this is what we teach in entire. Now the fees, if you talk about, it is 18,000, but after Corona, in this batch, we're charging only 12,999. And what do you get in that? One is international certification. Second is 1 set of books. All the designs free. See, if you are doing from us, you are starting your classes. So whatever designs are available on our website, on our page, you can take it and the same can be changed to your name. All the school letters, pamphlets, school institutions, everything that is free of cost for you, and 1 year will support, so that you can get a good job or good business you can set up with this subject, right? So this is 12,999 up till now. Got it? If you have any doubts, any questions regarding this, we can discuss in depth on a personal call. But let's complete the topic first. So 2 topics are left. First, we have done numbers. For cubes, we have done numbers starting with 1. So 11, 12, up till 19. Then we have done numbers ending with 1, 21, 11, 21, 91. The third is the common numbers. Suppose it is 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 4, 9, 9. How will we do? It's the most simplest one. See, you have 4 places. Take the cube of any one number. Let's say we are taking this. So what is cube of 2? Yes, Asha, what is the cube of 2? Yogananda?
8.
8. So just write down 8 at every position. Done. Then same, 4th step is always same. 8, 24, 24, 8. So what is this? 8, 4, 6, 10648. Got the answer?
Okay.
How easy it is. Let's say now find out for 33.
Three five nine three seven.
Sorry, come again.
35937.
Very good. So any doubt now?
No doubts.
77. So what is the cube of 7?
343. 343.
So we write down 343, 343, 343, 343. How easy it is. 6, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6. Complete it. Three, 4, 3, 9, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3. So 3. Now 34 will go here. So what will it become? Again 3, 106. So 5, 113. So 113. So 6, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3. Easy, eh?
Yes, sir.
Chala. So coming to the last topic, last point, when the numbers are different or not falling into these 4 categories. How do we do that? Let's say first number is 23. Now here we have to remember the formula. And the formula is a cube, a square b, b square a, and b cube. If you remember at 3rd step, at the 4th step, we used to do 2 times. So if you do 2 times, that becomes, if you check this, what is this? A cube, 3a square b, 3b square a, and b cube. This is your algebraic formula. But There we use a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. See, the format should be this only. Then only you'll be getting the answers correct. So let's say 23. So at third step, now a is 2, b is 3. So a cube means 8. A cube means 8.
Yes.
3. Oh, sorry, we will not take this. We are doing this only. A square b. So a square b means 4 into 3, 12. 3 b square a means 18 and 27. You can avoid this lines also. Doubling means 24, 36. Just do it. 27, 54, 36, 8. So that means 7, 6, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Let's try one more. See, even for the first we did with 12. Now in case of 12 also, a cube, it is 1 only. The a square, 1 into 2, 2. Then b square a, so 4, and b cube 8. But why should we use formula if we can do with a simple trick, writing the numbers as it is and finding the cube? Similarly, 21. A cube, 8. Then a square, b, 4. Then 2. Then 1. And see, this is the first step, third step. The rest all you can do. Fourth step is always the same. Whatever number you want. Now, again, doubling. A cube means 8. A square in B means, again, because both the numbers are same, again same. B square A also same. This also same. So you can solve with any number.
Yes.
Got it? Any question you have now, tell me.
No question, sir. So
Any
we can
doubts?
do using last formula.
Your voice is not coming.
Yes, sir. We can use the last formula for all terms.
Yes, but the point is, why? See.
Yeah.
Then how will you make the class interesting? How will students learn? And suppose question is 22. Why will they calculate this a square b, then b square a, then a cube, then b cube? Instead of that, they can just write simply 8, 8, 8, 8. They'll never go wrong.
Yeah.
See, that is, they have to, it should be easy also, interesting also. Na?
Yeah.
Any questions you have now?
No questions.
Sure. So I'll share the homework again and certificates would be there. So,
Okay.
right. So we'll talk later. You belong to which place?
I'm from Nepalganj.
Nepal.
Nepalganj.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Thank
Okay
you,
then.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you again.
Sure.
Okay. Namaste.